These are WhatsApp status tutorials you need to know as a first timer or a new beginner using WhatsApp. So this is actually the WhatsApp for Business application. You can download on Play Store and you can download on Apple Store. So if you click on it, the WhatsApp status, if you have a chat this way, so you have chat, you have status, you have calls. So if you slide to the left, you are going to see all your status here.
Wait, what I'm saying is
you are going to be having the status of other people in your contact list below it, if you have enough contacts that are uploading status. If your contacts do not upload status, you will not see their status updates. There are two ways you can upload status. If you want to write text only, so you have to click here, and it has limits on what you can type. You can type anything here, and you can decide to add any emojis by clicking on the emoji button of your phone, and you can type whatever you want to type. And you can also add emojis from here. Good. So you can decide to add text. Like I say, you can change the font by clicking on the T here, so on the text, so it's going to give you different kinds of text. Then if you click on the color, it's going to change the background. So the second thing you can do is you can click on this camera icon here, and it's going to give you gallery options of your pictures. So from here you can add any picture you feel like adding to your status. So let's say I want to add a picture from my status, so I can just click this picture of this shoe. Then I can write anything I want to write here and put the price here, put some emojis, then I send. Or I can decide to also, if you crop, you can crop by clicking this cropping icon here, and you can add emoji from this up. So there are different types of emoji. You can have stickers from your phone, you can have emojis here. If you click here, it's going to give you different emojis that you can place on your picture. So let's beautify it and make it beautiful. So I can make the picture beautiful, beautify it by having this here. I like to do this to beautify my pictures. So I can click here. So these ones, if you click the emojis from up, it can add on the particular picture you want to add on. So you can widen it and increase the size the way it looks. So I'm going to be adding other ones to beautify. So you can beautify your pictures like this on WhatsApp status, and you can decide to add a text on the image. So let's see what we can add here. I can have, or let me just say shoe. So instead of writing shoe sandal, I can decide to just, there's this button here shows that you can write on it, this pencil here. So and here you can change the size of the pen you are using. So let's say I want to write shoe, then shoe sandal. Good. So that is it. I'll just click done. and it's done. Then I can change the color too of anything I want to do. So yes, I can decide to make the color red, but I can also reduce the good. Okay, yeah. So these are ways you can use your WhatsApp status, and click on done. Then what other things can you have here? You click on send. So you can also, the WhatsApp status also has privacy settings, so which means I can click on this three dots here and change the settings of the people I want them to see my status. So by coming here, I'll go to my status here, this top corner on the right hand side, status privacy. So this works for the status I want to post after now. So if I set up status privacy, it won't work for the ones I have not done it for. So right from now, whatever I set here is going to work on the next update I want to put. So I can put my status on all my contacts in my status, or all my contacts, except if I click on accept, I'm going to show the list of the people that can't see my status. If I share with, share only, share with. So maybe I want to upload a status and I just want two people to see my status. I don't want to send them a direct message, so I can do that. So that's what status privacy does for you on WhatsApp status privacy. So even from here, you can send your WhatsApp status directly to your Facebook. So from here, I can decide to come here and share everything I've done here. 2, 3, 4, 5, so 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you must have connected your WhatsApp with your Facebook account, and that can be done from your Facebook. So I can share to Facebook and click on share now. So it automatically shares to my story on Facebook. So I can go ahead and share the rest too. So this is another way I can share if I want to share one after the other. So I'll just click on the three dots by the right hand side of each picture and share to Facebook. So if I want to share to somebody, I can share to somebody by clicking on share here. If I want to forward, I can forward to somebody in WhatsApp. If I want to share, I can share to any other place, any app from here from my status. So that is how that one works. And I can advertise on Facebook directly. If I click on Facebook here, I can advertise and I can create ads directly from my story. So I invite people to view my stories right from my status, and I'm going to be getting a lot of views on my status from people seeing my status right outside from outside WhatsApp. So WhatsApp can do a lot of things for you if you know how to use it very well properly. So let's share some things from here to WhatsApp. Share to Facebook. Yes. So now go to Facebook and you'll be able to see the things I've done, and you see how they appear on Facebook. So those are the ways you can use your WhatsApp status and everything you need to know about WhatsApp status. So from here, I can see, if I click here, it's updated already. I can view my story and you can see all the things I've done. You see it's appearing here already. So it's still creating. It's still creating. Yes. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and you can click on the notification bell so that you can always see my new uploads. You can also subscribe and share my video to wherever you want to share it to. I really appreciate your view. See you in the next video.